welcome to part 4 of Blind Box and Boba. Except this time we didn't get boba. We got matcha from Mowood in Redmond. And sis got matcha latte. And I got jasmine matcha cloud. Yeah.
Yep. Matcha in trend, so
it's so hot today.
It's ever. Yep.
Me and my red hair. Sis had red hair for like a second when we were trying to find a parking spot.
Yeah, that was weird. Alright, we're continuing the blind box.
We got today 2 travel sets and then 2 office sets, and then this is for sis. We're gonna open this last. It's the Animal Party Puppet Show Lulu. Alright, what should we open first? Travel set. Alright.
I forgot to see it back. Okay.
Technical difficulties here.
Okay, you
me first?
You go first.
Oh, let's look at them first.
Alright.
Which one do you want?
So we have Let's Go, Check In, Take Me Away, Come With Me, Daydream, Explore, Rainy Day, and Sunny Day.
And then we have 2 secrets.
Oh, where's the secret part?
It's on the
it's on the side.
On the side.
So the secret, it's the Ride the Wind and Balloon Rides. Oh, that one's kind of cute too.
I like the balloon rides.
Yeah.
That'd be nice if we get that, but that's a secret.
Yes.
I want Sunny Day.
Cute sunflower.
Because sunflowers. But I also like Rainy Day because of the umbrella.
Oh, it's just like
and it fits Seattle vibes. I like the luggage one too. Take Me Away.
Yes.
And maybe Come With Me and Daydream. Actually, I wouldn't be mad with a lot of these.
Yeah, these are all really cute.
All really cute. Yeah. And sis?
I like Let's Go and Take Me Away.
Take Me Away.
I like those two.
Yeah, those are cute. Those are cute.
Okay, sis, choose.
Me first?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want
to? Not a specific one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that was a bad Alright. See which one we get this time.
Secret.
Secret? You really want the secret?
Secret.
Oh, this is big.
Are they travel? Let's go. Oh, it's a fuzzy pig again.
That's a fuzzy pig again.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what else they have in here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Could be Sunny Day.
What is this? Oh no, it's the one with the mirror.
Come With Me?
The Explore. Explore with Lulu the Pig.
That's one we didn't really talk about.
That's funny.
Or Check In. We didn't really. Whoa, that's a
this
big
mirror.
Magnifying glass.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Wait, did it just attach?
Yeah, it has that attachment.
Whoa. It's all magnetic.
It's not magnetic, but
it's not.
It's
just
attached.
Okay.
And then we also have some other stuff that goes along with it.
That's attached easily.
Yeah. And there is a little map that Lulu stands on.
Oh, that rip was good. Oh, that's cute.
And there's some other stuff comes with.
Actually,
it has a Lulu book stand, and then it also has a pencil.
Oh.
So I guess one of them goes on here.
Oh, that's what the things are for.
Right?
Yeah, for it to stick on.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Right. That's funny. There's so much stuff with this one.
Attachments.
Why do I feel like this attachment is not
attaching?
Maybe it's the wrong one. Maybe this one goes on the front. No, it doesn't. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
They did a bad job.
This is weird.
They did a bad job with this. Okay. I got it to fit.
Okay. Just force it on.
There you go.
That's cute.
That's Lulu.
Oh, exploring.
Exploring the world. That's funny.
Yay.
Alright.
Sweet.
That's the one we got.
Anything else? Is there extra stuff this time?
No. Oh, but these cards are cute.
Oh.
It's like a little Polaroid.
That's
Yeah.
cute.
Next, this gets open.
Okay. Not ton. Travel.
Cool.
Oh, kind of big. Maybe it's normal. They're all probably big.
Maybe.
Okay. I can't really tell. It's yeah,
Not
technical difficulty today. Okay, Lulu Fuzzy Pig.
Has a hat.
What is this? I don't
Has
remember.
a hat. Let me see what
Don't remember.
What's the come with me?
Oh, come with
The
me.
tour guide.
Oh, they're all like math
The tour
related.
guide. The tour guide. Oh wow.
Oh, also a lot of.
That's your what? What's that one thing called?
Eh?
Oh, so cute.
Wow. Wow, this one has a lot of
Stuff.
yeah.
Lulu the Pig. Lulu the tour guide.
It kind of fits sis.
Lulu the tour guide.
Sis is really good
I
at
am the tour
planning. Yeah, all the trips.
I am the tour guide.
Okay. Open.
It has a paper. Okie dokie.
No, keeps.
It's like a while. It's like really secured in there. Let me see where this goes. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, it's like a photo.
It's like a Polaroid.
Oh, here's a location marker.
Location marker. Yes,
Okay.
yes. And then Lulu is holding a little. Oh, what is that?
Maybe we'll get you one of this one basis.
Wait, where does this go? Oh, it goes into the.
In the butt.
I don't know.
And there's a stand thingy for the, what do you call that? What? This color thingy, does it hold that? No. Oh, I forgot what this is.
Oh, it holds that maybe?
Oh, then it holds Lulu's butt. Like that?
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's
Fancy. Fancy. Lulu's butt does have something. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That is really weird.
Oh, just to make Lulu taller.
I have no idea.
Interesting.
But,
Sure. Okay, just in case Lulu drops.
falls into the.
Will it balance?
I don't know what to for, honestly.
Okay, wow, Lulu got taller.
Look at Lulu.
Alright.
That was cute.
Yeah, this one's cute
I like
too.
this one. Oh wow.
Lulu World, but okay.
Lulu World.
Anyway, here is this one.
I actually don't want any of the specials from the office one.
Why?
This is weird.
Interesting.
You got an angel boss, you got a devil boss, you got a slow snail. Slow snail's fine.
Yeah, you're right. They're kind of
I don't want any of the secrets.
okay. How about
I
that?
want
You-
下午茶时光. I want the one with the coffee.
afternoon tea.
And I want
The
him
secret's
on the printer.
Mm-hmm.
证件快照.
Mm-hmm.
And then him hiding underneath the desk. I think those are the top 3 I want. And then sis can choose.
Oh yes, the shop. Oh,
It's okay, we'll grab it.
Cha is cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I want. Oh, I think I like the tea break.
Tea break.
Maybe Buddha Lu,
Boogaloo.
and maybe Lu can't do it.
Oh, there's English in the top. Why did I not know
that?
that?
I talk it.
I was like, in my Chinese mode. Like,
You are good. Okay, I think those are 2 I want. Buddha Lu and tea break.
Boogaloo.
Mhm.
That's funny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sis goes first this time.
I go first.
Take your sip first. Nice.
You hear it this one.
Nice.
Nice.
These are big.
Oh, you can't really steal them. Oh,
You always see Lulu the Pig. Oh, shoot.
What is
Have you ever
that?
watched that before?
Is the princess?
The Choi Soo Fun, that
Oh? Oh, I never.
that character.
Oh, I know, I haven't.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
okay.
her.
I guess this could resemble me.
That's so funny.
So this one is Lou Can't Do It.
Yeah,
Interesting. I know, I never saw that drama.
me neither, but I know she was known for the
And she was wearing this?
yeah, because she was the queen.
Interesting.
She was the queen in there.
Okay. Oh, but this is a really big.
Really big.
Oh, whoa, this one is a.
Oh my gosh, it even
Like
has
a-
this. It's like
Yeah.
the office tag.
Yes.
Your badge.
Your badge.
That's
just
funny.
need, a lanyard.
That's so cute.
Oh, I like this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Cute. Cisco.
Woohoo.
Cisco's turn.
All right. Let's see. Come on. This one's small. No, I don't know what it is.
Small. Could be tea break.
Oh no.
What is it? Is it
Which one
a
is this?
secret?
No, it's the one I want. The one on the printer.
Oh, nice. The ID snapshot.
ID snapshot, yes.
Yay. Sweet.
The one on the printer. Like that.
Sweet.
Like that.
Oh,
the
look at Lulu.
It's on the printer.
I wish I was that flexible.
On the printer.
That's so cute.
Oh, it has a.
It has another accessory. Oh, what's that?
What is this? Oh, is it like the printable? Like
The bottom part?
yeah, like the paper that it
Oh.
prints out has these expressions.
Oh, look at Lulu. You guys
These
can't look at Lulu.
expressions. So like it comes out of this.
Oh.
That's funny.
Oh, that's cute.
That's so adorable.
Yeah, it's printing.
It's printing. This is the badge for it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Wow. This is cute.
I like this one.
Yeah.
I like this set.
Okay.
All right. This one is Sis's.
So this will tell us why.
Why it's only Sis for this one?
Yes.
Because I already got one.
You
Yes.
opened it?
No. I got one way beforehand. Way before we did blind boxes. And this is the one I have. It's the little panda. And I have it on my work bag.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is that the one you wanted to when you
Yeah,
got
it's
the
one
bo-
of the ones I wanted.
Nice.
But I also like the elephant and
Elephant.
the other blue one. Oh no.
Oh, elephant and the alligator.
Crocodile.
Koala?
They're also cute though. Yeah.
Woohoo.
But this one's so cute.
And then the secret is the giraffe.
Do you have a favorite? You looking to get a specific one?
I kind of like elephant, fox,
Mm.
otter,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe giraffe.
Mm-hmm.
But that'll be hard. Yeah, they're really cute.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Will we get the same one? Panda.
Taffy. Good too.
Like, with that, any chances? Let's see.
Woohoo.
Thank you, sis. Oh,
I don't think we're gonna feel it.
yeah,
They
I
all
don't
feel
think
the
I
same.
feel it. Okay, ready, guys? 1, 2. It's a koala.
A koala. It's blue. What color though?
Yeah. I still like blue. So
Yeah.
It's
blue.
perfect. Ah, it's so
Wow.
cute.
Yeah. And you can puppet. You can do like a puppet.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah, you can do puppet. So cute. So funny.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sis.
No
Wow.
probs.
You can do both. You're bored one day.
You can talk to yourself.
Yeah. You can play with this. I guess we had these when we were younger, right? Like finger puppets.
Maybe.
Guess it might be
Yeah.
coming back in trend.
With the Lulu
Mm-hmm.
pigs.
probably really soft.
Lulu pigs.
So interesting. They're so soft.
Yeah.
Oh,
So cute.
Yay. And light.
Yeah, they're really light.
Yep.
They're really cute.
Alright. That
Alright.
is our unboxing for today. So
That concludes the unboxing.
that's like one of the longest.
Has a 17 minutes. That is a long video.
Okay. Let's do an ending.
Alright. We'll see you guys soon.
Okay. There's another one coming up.
There's a lot more coming up.
Oh, the series will keep going.
Keep going with the series.
Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.